Guys, I joined a different game again. It's Skate 2. If you like it, just subscribe to my channel and uh if you like the game, you can just play yourself. Just if you please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. The whole game is about like you trying to escape a place before you drown or something like that, or die. And then you'll just level up sooner or later, and you could just buy emotes like this one. Is that tidal wave in the distance, and this one, and even the head spin. You just need to get the coins and survive a lot of times. You could even get an air tank, and you'll need it sooner or later. Anyways, I have the meditate one, and we'll just have to wait a little until they're done. But for now, let's spectate them. Spectate. Oh, this one? I know this one. Reset. Nobody can ever beat this one. It's impossible to beat. NVM. Everybody just died instantly. But I died first. Because I reset. Anyways, look, this is what it's about. You just run and try and get every single button, and then just wait until a path appears. That way you can just click the button, and then you go up there, which leads to a place. Even if you drown on it, even if there's water or lava kills you straight away. But when you're in that little box, it says that you survived. That means you cannot get hurt by the lava. Not even a little. Trust me, I played this before. I'm on level 11, as you know, since you can see on top of my head. Or my player. And you can start off with a noob as your little buddy. Anyways, look, I'll show you. The acid is gonna turn into lava sooner. Acid and water don't kill you straight away. It gives you a little bit of time. But the water gives you more time than the acid. Anyways, look, I'll just get up here and show you. Once I get in, it says that I survived. So I just wait for the other people. Look, it turned into lava. And it's supposed to kill you instantly, but if you're in here, it won't hurt you. Look, you'll see buddies. Look. And it didn't hurt me. I survived. But look, there's a new one. I didn't say your full name. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Oh, anyways, I heard a joke about a guy that said, "Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead." He said that for a little while. Then a guy actually pushed him off the edge in a video that he made in Roblox. He was at Hotel Elephant at the right on the roof, and then just another guy just pushed him off. And there was some stalker just watching him, like dead. Creepy. I never finished this one, like the Wild Savannah. I never finished it since it's way too hard. Nobody has ever finished it. At least not alive. If you want me to make more videos, just comment down below, and let's try and get 100 likes. the least you can do is at least good. Let's try and get to 100 subscribers too. Please, I'll be grateful if we do. Trust me, I'm just my mom is struggling to trying to buy everything, like get the water.
What that shit?
I have a name. Why do I even always buy Lamborghinis and adopt and raise a cute child, even though now it's if I just wasted tons of money on that in the game. But and now it's you need a game pass for it. Why did you lag me? The good lag me, I died. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. I know these are short, but that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you like and subscribe. See you next time.